Hello students, let us continue with exercise 12.3 part 3. Here is the 13th question. What we have given with here in the figure we have a square OABC which is inscribed in a coordinate OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, so what is OA here? This length, which is nothing but the side of the square, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Also, we have asked us to use pi as 3.14. First, let us list out what and all are given to us, right? So, in square, what we have the side of the square, that is OA, which is equal to AB, that is equal to BC, which is equal to OC, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Next, what else we have given with? We have given with pi is equal to 3.14. Also, we have asked us to find the area of the shaded region. So, what is the area of the shaded region here? If you observe, this is the shaded region and it's the leftover part when we subtract the area of the square from the area of the coordinate OPBQ, right? So let us write what is area of the shaded region then. The area of shaded region, that is equal to shaded region, which is equal to area of the sector. I can write the names as OPBQ minus area of the square OABC. So before going to find the area of the sector and area of the square, let us list out what we have. So if you observe angle O, that is equal to 90 degree, because here COA is 90 degree as it is the angle on a square, right? So angle O we can write, or that is equal to theta, which is equal to 90 degree. It is a central angle for the sector, right? Next, what else we have here? We need the radius. So we don't know the radius here. We have to find the radius to find the area of the sector, correct? So how we can find the radius? If you observe, what is the radius here? What's the radius? Radius is nothing but the length OB. Why? Because this OB, which is from the center, and B is the point on a perimeter of the circle. Therefore, OB is the radius. How we can find OB? What is OB here? If you observe, we have a square here and OB is the diagonal of the square, correct? OB is the diagonal of the square. So what is the formula to find the diagonal of the square? So diagonal of the square, or it is equal to the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. What's the formula? That is equal to root 2 into A, where A is the side of the square. Side of the square. Correct? Now, it is root 2 into 20, or we can write it as 20 root 2. And what is the unit here? Unit is centimeter. So once we get this one, what we can find? We can find the area of the sector. We need pi, theta and r. So we have all the information. We can find it. Then area of the square, we already know it as A square. So already we have A as 20 centimeter. So we can find it. We'll continue with one by one. First, let us list out what all information we have. Based on that, we can find the values. So what we got? We got R is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Then A, which is nothing but the side of the square. A here is side of the square, that is equal to 20 centimeter, and pi is 3.14, as well as theta is equal to 90 degree. Now we'll find one by one. What's the area of the square? Area of the square, that is equal to A square. So that is nothing but A here is 20. So it is 20 whole square, that is equal to 400 centimeter square. So we can keep it as equation 1. What's next part? Next part is area of the sector. So area of the sector, which is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square, which is equal to theta is 90 degree here. So 90 by 360 degree into pi is 3.14 into r here we got as 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. So let us simplify this one. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 4s are, then 4 ones are 4, 5s are. So if you observe, we have 3.14 into 5 root 2 into 20 root 2. How we can simplify this one now? What is root 2 into root 2? We know that root 2 whole square, that is equal to root 2 into root 2, or when we take root 2 whole square, we have root and 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to 2. Also, root 2 into root 2 is root 4, that is equal to 2. So we can use any of these two. So the answer here is 2. Now if I simplify this further, I will get 3.14 into 5 20s are 100 into 2. So this is equal to 314 into 2, and that is equal to 628 centimeter square. Correct? This is equation 2. Now, what's the value? What's the area of this shaded region? So we got area of the sector as, let us write, area of shaded region, area of the shaded region, that is equal to, which is equal to area of the sector minus area of the square. Correct? So that is equal to, we have area of the sector as 628 minus area of the square as 400. So 628 minus 400, which is equal to 228, and the unit is centimeter square. Hope all of you got cleared with this problem. Let us move on to the next one. Here is the 14th question. We have given with AB and CD are respectively the arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm and the center O. So we have the central angle as 30 degree. Here it is given. If angle AOC is 30 degree, we have to find the area of the shaded region. Let us list out what and all are given to us. So we have theta is equal to 30 degree. If I take the smaller circle as C1 and bigger circle as C2, I can write the radius 7 centimeter and 21 centimeter as R1, which is corresponding to C1 as 7 centimeter, and R2, that is equal to radius of the circle C2, which is equal to 21 centimeter, right? So here they have not asked us to use pi as 3.14, therefore we can take pi as 22 by 7. So let us see what's the area of the shaded region here. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of the bigger sector, that is I can take area of S2 here, that is sector 2, which is corresponding to C2, minus area of S1, that is nothing but sector 1, which is corresponding to C1 here. Okay, first let us list out what is S2, what is S1. After that we can substitute here in the formula to get the answer. Fine. So here what is area of the sector 2? I'll just name it as area of S2. So area of S2 is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r. So we are going to find the area of the sector 2, that is we have to use R2 here, R2 square, which is equal to theta is 30 degree over here, 30 by 360 degree into 22 by 7 R2 square, that is 21 into 21. When we simplify, what we'll get? 3 ones are 3 12s are 7 ones are 3s are, then 3 ones are 3 4s are, so 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. When I multiply, I will get 11 into 21 divided by 2, that is equal to 231 divided by 2, so which is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are, then 2 5s are 0.5, and the unit is centimeter square. So just remember this value so that we can substitute it later. What we got? We got S2 as 115.5 centimeter square. We have to now find the area of sector 1. What we got earlier? We got area of the sector 1, that is equal to 115.5 centimeter square. So let us find the area of the smallest sector, that is area of S1, that is sector 1, which is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi R1 square, which is equal to 30 by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So when we go with the cancellation, what we'll get? We'll get 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 7 and 7 we can cancel. So 3 ones are 3, 12s are. So 2 6 are 2, 11s are. So what are the remaining? Remaining is 11 into 7 divided by 6, which is equal to 77 by 6, or if we simplify 77 by 6, what we'll get? We'll get almost 12.83, and this will continue. So we can stop it here itself for 2 decimal places. Okay. So what's the area of the shaded region then? Therefore, area of shaded region, that is equal to area of shaded region, which is equal to 115.5 minus 12.83. So what's the answer here? The answer is 102.67 and the unit is centimeter square. So you can just keep it as it is, or you can simplify this like 103. Since I have 6 here, we can increase the unit digit of the number by 1. Correct? We can approximate it to 103 centimeter square. Let us move on to the next problem. Here is the 15th one. What is given here? In the given figure, ABC is a coordinate. We have ABC of a circle, radius 14 centimeter. So which is the radius here? If you observe, AC and AB, both are the radius, correct? So we can write this as 14 centimeter, and a semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. So observe that here BC is the diameter of the outer circle, correct? So we have two arcs here, arc 1 and arc 2. So for the arc 1 or for the circle 1, which is the radius, for the circle 1, AC is the radius, and for circle 2, which is the radius here, radius is BC divided by 2, correct? Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of the shaded region. How we can find this one? What's the area of the shaded region here? If you observe, area of the shaded region, that is nothing but area of the semicircle with the diameter BC minus area of the segment having AC as the radius, correct? So how we can find this one? How we can solve this problem? Here, first let us see what and all are given to us, and based on that we can find the answer. Here, first part, we have to go with area of the sector with radius, with the radius 14 centimeter. So what is the area of that sector? Area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, which is equal to, theta is 90 degree here, so it is 90 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into r is 14. So I can write 14 into 14. So when I simplify this one, I will get I'm getting 11 into 14. So this is equal to 154 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector, right? Therefore, what is the area of this segment? Area of the segment here. This part. I'll just erase this one. So here, what's the area of the segment? This segment. This segment. So it is nothing but I can write area of the segment, which is equal to area of the sector, the one which we got just now, minus area of the triangle ABC. So what's the area of triangle ABC here? Since it's the right angle isosceles triangle, how we can find the area of ABC? We can use just half into base into height. So area of ABC, area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half into base into height. Here base and height are 14 into 14. So half into 14 into 14, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So when I multiply this one, I'll get 98 and the unit is centimeter square here. Therefore, what is the area of the segment and why we are finding the area of the segment here? Because area of the shaded region is area of the semicircle having radius BC, the diameter BC minus the area of the segment here, correct? That's why we are going to find the area of the segment. So what's the area of segment now? That is equal to 154 minus 98. Here we can write the area of the segment using the value of area of the sector and the area of triangle. Therefore, area of the segment, which is equal to 154 minus 98, that is equal to 56 centimeter square, correct? Now what else we need here to find the area of shaded region? I need the area of the semicircle having the diameter as BC. Semicircle with diameter BC. Now, if I know the diameter, I can find the radius for the second circle. But here, I don't know what is the diameter BC. How I can find the diameter BC? So, if you observe BC, that is opposite to angle A. Therefore, I can write BC square, which is equal to AC square plus AB square. In this problem, we know that AB is equal to AC. So how I can write here? I can write BC square is equal to AC square plus AC square, because we know that AB is equal to AC. So this becomes BC square is equal to 2 times AC square, or BC is equal to 2 times AC square, and when we take the square to the other side, it becomes square root, or BC is equal to root 2 into AC. So this is the one which we can use to find the length of the diagonal, correct? So what's the length of the diagonal then? Therefore, we can find length of the, it's not the diagonal, it's the diameter. Length of the diameter, which is equal to BC, that is equal to root 2 into AC. Already we know what is the value of AC. AC is 14 centimeter. So which is equal to root 2 into 14, and the unit is centimeter here. So we got BC as root 2 into 14, correct? Now what we want actually, we want the radius of the second circle. Therefore the radius is equal to radius, which is equal to 14 root 2 divided by 2, because we have the diameter BC, therefore radius is equal to half of the diameter, which is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. So when we have the radius, we can find the area of the semicircle, correct? So what's the area of semicircle? Area of semicircle, area of the semicircle, which is equal to area of the semicircle, that is equal to, what's the formula? It is half of the area of the circle, that is half into pi r square, which is equal to half into 22/7, because they have not asked us to take pi as 3.14, into r here is 7 root 2. So I can write 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. So what I can do, 7 and 7 I can cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So what's the remaining here? We have 11, this one, and here I have root 2. So into root 2 into, I have the last term 7 root 2. So when I simplify, what I'll get here, 11 into 7, that is 77, into root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 77 into 2. It becomes 154. Correct? Yes, 154 centimeter square, since it is the since the radius are given in centimeters. Now, how we can proceed with this one? We have to find the area of the shaded region. So what's the area of the shaded region? Let us proceed. So observe, we have to mark few things here. We have the area of the segment as 56 centimeter square. Also, we have the area of the semicircle as 154 centimeter square. So what is the area of the shaded region? Area of shaded region, area of shaded region, that is equal to area of the semicircle, area of semicircle minus the area of the segment. Correct? So what's the area of semicircle we got? It is 154 centimeter square minus, what's the area of segment? It is 56 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded region, that is equal to 98 centimeter square. You can write area of shaded region, that is equal to 98 centimeter square. Hope all of you clear with this problem. Let us move on to the next one. So here is the last question of this exercise. What we have here? We have calculate the area of the designed region in the figure which is common between two coordinates of the circles with radius 8 cm each. So observe here that we have a square with the sides as 8 cm, as well as we have a coordinate with a central angle 90°, as well as we have to find the area of the shaded region here. Correct? Observe here that how the diagram is formed. As it is given in the question, we have two coordinates here with the radius 8 cm. So I can just keep it as this, and I have the one more coordinate. I can just draw it with a different color. So now observe here that the area of this shaded region, that is nothing but area of the shaded region here, which is nothing but the 2 times the area of the segment. Correct? If you observe, we have a coordinate like this, right? This part, that is area of the segment. Again, I have area of one more segment here, right? So what we can find here? How we can find the area of the shaded region? Easily we can find in a way, area of shaded region, area of shaded region, that is equal to, which is equal to 2 times the area of the segments. or I can write area of the segment. So how I can get the area of the segment now? If I have this diagram, how I can get the area of this segment? That is nothing but area of the segment is area of the segment, that is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Correct? So it is very easy because we have the central angle as 90 degree as well as we have a right angle triangle. So we also find the area of triangle using half into base into height formula. So observe here that we have two formula which we have to use here. One is area of segment we'll find first. Area of segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle, right? Then once we get the area of the segment, if we multiply it by 2, we'll get the area of the designed region. Let us proceed with this one. First, let us find the area of the sector. Area of the sector. So what is the area of the sector? That is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Since they have not asked us to take pi as 3.14, I can just go with pi as 22 by 7. So it is theta is 90 degree over here. 90 degree into 360 by 22 by 7 into r is 8 centimeter. So it is 8 into 8. On simplification, what we'll get? 0, 0 cancels. 9 ones are 9 fours are. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 twos are. When I multiply this one, I will get 22 into 2 into 8 divided by 7. So it is 44 into 8 by 7. What's the answer here? 352 by 7 centimeter square. So I can write area of the sector. I'll write area of sector, that is equal to 352 divided by 7 centimeter square. Correct? Next, we can find the area of the triangle. So what's the formula? Area of triangle is equal to area of the triangle, that is equal to half into base into height. So what are the base and height here? Both are equal to 8 centimeters. So it is 8 into 8. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So this is equal to 32 centimeter square. Therefore, what is the area of the segment? Therefore, area of segment is equal to area of the segment, which is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So which is equal to, what's the area of the sector? It is 352 divided by 7 minus 32, or I can write it as 352 minus 224 divided by 7. So which is equal to 352 minus 224, that is equal to 128 divided by 7, and I'll get the answer as some points. So I'll write it as 128 by 7 centimeter. I'll write 128 by 7 centimeter square, right? So now observe that what's the area of the shaded region I said earlier? Area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of shaded region, which is equal to 2 times the area of the segment, correct? Area of the segment. So what I got here? I got 2 into, what's the area of the segment we got? We got 128 by 7, correct? So 2 into 128 by 7. What's the answer? Which is equal to 256 divided by 7, or the answer is 36.571 centimeter square. Either you can keep it as it is, the fraction value also you can just write, or else you can simplify and get the decimal value, correct? So this is very easier method of finding the area of this designed region. Okay, shaded region I have mentioned here, or you can write the designed region. Fine. So hope all of you understood the complete 12.3 exercise. You can use the same applications or same concept in the other problems when you solve the worksheets. Fine guys. So